This is Gail Sibley. I'm at the IAPS convention in Albuquerque, and I'm with Anne Strutz. And I'm so drawn to your figurative work, and so I would love if you would just speak to that. What inspires you? How why you do what you do?
Okay, sounds good. My figurative work, well, I'm very close to my family, and I feel when I paint, I need to have an emotional connection. So I really draw upon memories of my childhood with my father. I do figures there. I also am drawn to the connection between my family interacting with one another. And you can apply, because I have a broad range from 95 to 15 now of ages. I can tap into the youth, what's going on with technology and how it's changing our environment. And then I can also go back to comparing that with like when you used to sit and have a conversation with somebody. And I'm trying to work on a series where I'm drawing those two to show a comparison of what's happening in our society. So then I also can branch off with the figurative work to their hobbies. So I am not a landscape painter, but I'm outside all the time, and my son is a mountain biker, and I find I can paint a landscape if I have a figure in it. So I have to have that connection. Again, it's an emotional connection to the subject. My father is a fisherman. He's been fishing for 92 years, and I grew up fishing, and so I will paint him fishing, family members fishing, or fish that I know, that I've held. So, so it's really, I think, important to get that energy and emotion in your work. You need to have the connection with the subject matter. So that's pretty much how I work on my figures. And also, on a last note, I did go to school for fashion design, so I did a lot of figure drawing in college, so I'm drawn to the figure that way as well. So
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Thanks so much for sharing that.
Yeah, and thanks for inviting me.